Hey cruisers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing another mystery box from Locksmith Comics. This is the Thirst for the First. You know, when I first started the channel, it's one of the first mystery box that I ordered that I keep getting. And you know, a year later, I'm still getting his boxes, man. All the other boxes I picked up in the past, I dropped them all because there's no value in their boxes. And him, Corey, this guy, always valued in each boxes, man. He put a lot of thoughts in it, and he put keys, good books in there, and I'm not the only one keep buying his boxes constantly. So if you guys haven't yet get his boxes, I suggest start now. I'll leave this link in the description. Like I said, this Locksmith Comics. You know, check my history of my channel, man. I keep getting his boxes. He's the one that consistently get his box because I'm always happy with what I get. Alright, so let's go ahead and cruise into this. Let's see what we got. I feel a slab in there, so that right there let me know that I got something good. Alright. Let's see here. Alright, let's leave the slab in there. See here, without me looking at it. Stick in here. Sorry guys. Alright, let's hope we pull off a couple good hits here. Let's see. Alright, first one is floor number 7. Alright, great. Alright, it's a good one. This one is Batman number 90. Forgot which first appearance on this one, but there's first appearance, first print. Drawn a blank on who that is. I mean, which first appearance. Next one is Venom number 25 variant cover. Alright, nice. Alright, next one is Detective Comics 1000. There we go. Alright. Let's see. Last one we got here, the slab. What did I get? What did I get? Alright, there you go. Venom number 25. Funko Pop variant cover, 9.8. Any Venom associated with Cage right now is pretty good, so that's a good pickup right there. There you go, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know what you think. What I got, if I got value out of this or not. I think I did. This is a good one, and a couple good hits here too. Any Batman, I'm a big Batman fan, so I'm happy with that. Alright cruisers, I'll leave Locksmith Comics link in the description so you guys can check him out on Instagram. Thank you again. Like always, let's be safe guys, let's be nice to each other, and let's all take care. Alright, peace out.